Grand Polycoats is among the leading industrial paint manufacturers in India that specializes in high-performance protective paints and coatings.
Our focus is solution to the customer rather than the product to the customer. So we have always been studying their service conditions, the line conditions, and we develop the solution and we offer the total solution to them.
As renowned industrial paint manufacturers in India, we understand the needs of our customers and provide customized high-performance coating solutions for each client. We serve a variety of industries such as agriculture, automotive, construction, defense, power and electrical, railways, etc. With our range of technologies including traditional and high-performance polyurethane coatings, specialized epoxy coatings for high chemical resistance, highly flexible elastomeric polyurethane coatings, very quick drying polyurea coatings, a variety of floor coatings, and special polymer coatings for very specific applications. As a professional coating solutions provider, we continuously strive to improve our expertise in coating technology and to promote innovation.
Our business traditionally has always been B2B. But I wanted to diversify and I wanted to get into B2C. I'd like to consolidate our business in powder and in retail. I think there's a lot of scope to grow. There's been a lot of learnings for me, especially since I'm looking after the entire P&L.
Today, Grand Polycoats forges ahead with its new segments such as powder coatings and retail business, including coatings for wood, glass and plastics.
We have set process to send samples to customers and we monitor it on a monthly basis. We test according to customer client data. Here work environment is very good. Here we have brainstorming activities. From brainstorming activities, we do a lot of innovations. Team is very energetic, they are very hardworking.
So whenever you are having any idea or some innovative concept in your mind, you need to simply talk to management, and the management is so fast. They give, once they like the idea, they give approval immediately, and once they give approval, then it is taken as a commitment by the management. Then they don't look behind in supporting the project, whether it is in terms of the raw material, technology, innovation, some third-party testing or instruments. So that is what I feel is one of the most important point for me to work with Grand Polycoats.
Our goal is to provide our customers with the best choice of coating for every challenge they may face. Our retail division has 3 brands: Veturi, high-performance automotive paint that is used for refinishing by all sectors of the transport industry. Ligna wood coating provides for a large variety of finishes for various applications. Glass coating for aesthetic finishing of interior designs.
We have allocated place for each chemist, and because of that they are doing efficient work. And in laboratory we are going to add more equipment like wave scan, color measurement that will analyze their work, and they can send those data to customers so that rejection part will not be there. First stroke our product will be approved like colors. And in addition to that we do a lot of testing here like SST, salt spread test, impact. But for auto refinish point of view, main important thing is customer wants a drying as well as appearance of the panels.
Our team is dedicated to finding effective, technologically advanced and environmentally friendly solutions for you.
A lot of new things are coming up, and we are all very excited to be able to showcase our strength in technology to our customers.
So when we say perfection in protection, means we are in the business of protection of the assets of our customers. Basically, we are a company who has remained focused on customer in terms of quality and services.
Visit our website www.grandpolycodes.com and get in touch to know more about our company and product offerings.